If you want to relax and you want something that create a blissful oasis of aromatherapy and relaxation in your home, you better watch this video. Welcome back to my channel. It's Rachel. For today's video, I'll be doing unboxing and review of this product that was sent to me by this company. You can take this anywhere, like your office or even just at home, that makes you feel relaxed and make your house smell good. I'm going to show you guys this product. I got the package here. The brand is Phatoil. I got a chance to pick which one I like. They have essential oils and they also have aroma diffuser. So yes, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like and how to use the product. If you guys watching this video and new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification icon so you won't miss any of my new upload videos. You know, the shipping was quick. This product that I'm gonna show you, I already opened but I haven't seen inside yet. Let's open this box. You know, it's the month of December already, and you know what that means? It's Christmas. Christmas is just around the corner, so this would be a perfect Christmas presents to your family and friends, or birthdays or anniversaries, or even for yourself. You can give this for any occasions, like to your friends and family that wants diffuser or essential oils. And you better check their website, guys, that they're having a Christmas sale. I do have a coupon code for you to use at checkout, and it's right here. So I'll put everything in the description box below. It says Ultrasonic Aromatherapy Diffuser with essential oil set. So there's also essential oils in the box. It's still in the plastic. There's 7 LED color options: humidity, auto off, mute, and aromatic. I have essential oils too, and you know the scents that I got, especially like before you go to bed, that you want something like to feel you relax, and you just want to put a drop of essential oils in the diffuser. In the back of this box, you know, it tells you the instruction how to use the diffuser. In the box, you see that there is a manual or the book for the essential oils, different kind of scents in the manual. They have aroma diffuser manual, so you can just read the instructions on how to use the diffuser and also the essential oils and how many drops put in the diffuser. This bottle is 5 ml and there's 2 droppers. There's one peppermint, lemongrass, sweet orange, lavender, tea tree oil, eucalyptus. And there's also a adapter, you can plug that thing. Cup of 120 ml, and you can put a few drops in the diffuser. There's different settings, like there's 7 LED color options, so you can just choose what color you like. Yes. The peppermint because I like the scent of it. I can smell the peppermint already. Okay, if you're interested, just leave a comment down below, and thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.